Let's solve this together. It says x plus y squared is equal to 2 and x squared plus y is equal to 6. So you're required to solve for the values of x and y in this equation, okay? Now, in order to do this, we are going to say that, okay, so let's write equations in form of x. The first equation we can have is that x is equal to 2 minus y squared, okay? But then recall that we can also say from here, because x is 2 minus y squared, we can say that x squared is equal to 2 minus y all squared. Furthermore, we can say from equation 2 that x squared is also equal to 6 minus y. Hence, this is equal to x squared and this is equal to x squared. Hence, we can say that 2 minus y all squared, 2 minus y squared all squared is equal to 6 minus y. Alright? So, squaring this now, we have 4 minus 2 times y squared is 2y squared times 2 is 4y squared plus y squared squared is y raised to the power 4 is equal to 6 minus y. Okay? So, bringing everything to one side, we have y raised to the power 4 minus 4y squared minus y, plus y. Then we have 4 minus 6 is negative 2. It's equal to 0. Okay, so this is the equation we have. This is the polynomial equation that we have. So we're going to go ahead and look for a 0 of this equation. So the number will substitute for y to give us 0 here. Let's do that now. Okay. Let's check for 1. 1 raised to the power 4 is 1 minus 1 squared is 1 times 4 is 4 plus 1 minus 2. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0, 0 plus minus 4 is minus 4, this is not equal to 0. Let's check minus 1. Minus 1 raised to the power 4 is 1, minus 4 times, minus 4 squared is 1 times 4 is still 4, minus 1, and this is minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3, okay? Minus 3, this is minus 4 plus 1, and this is negative 6. This is not equal to 0. Let's check for 2. 2 raised to the power 4 is 16 minus 2 squared is 4. 4 times 4 is what? 16 again. Plus 2 minus 2. This is equal to 0. Hence, we can say that 2 is a 0 of this equation. If 2 is a 0 of this equation, invariably means that y minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay? Because if we say 2 is a 0, it means that y is equal to 2. When you bring this over to this other side, you have y minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay? So let's now do this. Moving on from here, let's now say, because y minus 2 is equal to 0, it means that y minus 2 is a factor of this equation. If y minus 2 is a factor of this equation, it means that when we divide this equation by y minus 2, we should get another factor. So we have y raised to the power 4 minus 4y squared plus y minus 2 divided by y minus 2. Now, y into y raised to the power 4 is y cubed. Y cubed times this is y raised to the power 4 minus 2y cubed. When we subtract, we have plus 2y cubed. We can bring down minus 4y squared. On division again, we have 2y cubed minus divided by y is y squared, so that's plus 2y squared. This multiplying give us 2y cubed minus 2y squared divided this is 4y squared. When we subtract, we have 0. We can now bring down y minus 2. Okay, so we have y minus 2. Now, y into y is 1. So this is plus 1. And we have y minus 2, giving us 0 here as well. So conclusively, we have that y cubed plus 2y squared plus 1 multiplied by y minus 2 is equal to 0. So looking at this closely now, you can discover that this cannot be solved. Because this cannot be solved, we're going to say that y is equal to 2 alone. Remember that we said that x plus y squared is equal to 2. Hence our x here will now be equal to 2 minus 2 squared, and that is equal to 2 minus 4, which is negative 2. So x is equal to -2. And this is the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.